My first package from Amazon. I've been buying a lot of stuff. It's just a battery, but you know, I kind of wanted to do something here. Open it up, you know, and you know, cool, man. Came really quick. You know, it's a nice little pack job from Amazon. It's a little LiPo battery there, man. I received them in the mail before. Made in China. There's the part number. Nothing else really to it. You know? Alright, Amazon. Man, they came really quick, you know? But, yeah. Yeah, cool. Cool, man. For the bebop. And, we're gonna go ahead and check the charge. Man, it looks the same, but feels the same weight. Doesn't say anything. Bebop drone battery. You know? By bonacell. There it is, 1600 milliamp. Alright, guys. Go ahead and plug it into the bebop here. Pull this out. And put the light on over here. You guys like light? You know? And go ahead and that's what we're doing here is testing to see what kind of charge it came with. Alright. Big yoke. Yoke's always here, man. Good boy, Yoke. We got the green light. Okay, go like that. Go to settings. Settings. Turn the Wi-Fi on. Connect it. Free flight. Okay. It is on. I'll tell you, 8%, 7%. It came like that. That low. Really? That's what it says over here. Yeah, there it is. 6%. So it didn't ship with a charge. That's for damn sure. Alright, we're going to shut this off. Alright, guys, so I'm going to throw it on the charger. Alright. So, here we go. And I got to get a charger too. Probably buy that from Amazon as well. Alright. Alright, guys. New battery from Amazon. New adventure. So, Amazon delivered. Alright.